What is life like in Santana Row? We're going to be doing a walking tour, but before that, we're going to check out one of our favorite restaurants first, which is Fogo de Chao. Come join us and take a look inside, and we're going to be walking around this entire strip so you can see what life is like here on a Friday night. So we're going to start at the kind of the middle section of Santana Row. So Fogo de Chao, Maggiano's, you can see as you drive along Winchester Boulevard. But this is the middle section, and as you go, keep walking down this path, on the right, you're going to have a parking garage underground. And if you actually turn to make a left here, you're going to see a multi-level parking structure where you're going to be able to find plenty of parking regardless of how busy it is. Now, keep in mind, you might have to be on the upper level, on upper levels 4 and above, but you'll be able to find places. Maggiano's, one of the best places to go for a family-style dining. Sauce is a newer place. I haven't been there in a long time. I know they opened like this kind of arcade thing going on there. You can see on the left-hand side here, Urban Plates. That replaced, previously there was a really good place called Pluto's. Unfortunately, that is gone, but Urban Plates is super popular. You can see this is just a casual evening. And especially when it's hot, a lot of people are going to be out and about. Some people may go across the mall, across the road to Valley Fair. Others are just enjoying a nice time out. And you can see Smitten is an ice cream shop that is always packed, especially on a hot day. You got Veggie Grill. Next to it, you got the counter. When it comes to the counter, one of the more unique items that people typically get outside of making custom burgers will be their fried pickles. That definitely is a good spot. Unfortunately here, as you see through, there used to be Rosie McCain's. That has closed. Now, taking a look as we walk through towards the main part of the road, you can see Santana Heights. This, all above all of these retail, is a combination of places for rent, but also combinations for some units to buy. So if you're wanting to rent, unfortunately, can't really help you there. But if you want to buy, let's chat. I got plenty of options for you. It's a great lifestyle, very unique lifestyle that you will have in the center of all the actions that you are just walkable to. Exercise areas, dining, convenience, and I'm sure a lot of your friends would love to come by. You also have a lot of high-end hair salons all throughout the strip. Okay, I'm gonna let you enjoy this walkthrough. We're gonna go walk to all the way to the very end of the strip, which is gonna be on the border of Valley Fair. You will see towards the very end, you will have a Yard House, and that's when you know you're at the complete end of the strip, and that will basically be an intersection of Stevens Creek. This road itself is called Santana Row, one of the most popular places to visit and to enjoy dinner, enjoy drinks, enjoy cocktails, and quite frankly, some nightlife activities. You're going to see a lot of people dressed to impress already at this hour at Straits, which we are heading towards right now. You got a nice Japanese restaurant called Azumo. I've been there several times. Highly recommended. Good spots to grab some sake, grab some drinks, and get some nice Japanese sushi and food. Well, that is the tour. What do you think about the place? You can see there's plenty of places you can buy up top on Santana Row. You can rent around here. You can clearly come to this area from all over the Bay Area. What's your favorite restaurant here? Or have you thought about living here? Leave it in the comments below. See you in the next video.